Hey, welcome to the show. I want to quickly show you how I taught the supercar lesson in VEXGO. I always start the class with an introduction. I will use the slideshow that VEX provides and also discuss roles and routine. I also like to add in some creative ideas. I taught this lesson before having the students sit on the floor with their VEX kits. I do this so they don't spill the parts on the ground. I divide the students into groups of 2 and allow them to use their Chromebooks to follow along with their build instructions in VEX code Go. This build project took longer than expected, and I needed to shorten the build time to give more time for team meetings, testing, and data collection. So I used the 3D build instruction on my whiteboard and went step by step with the class. This allowed me the opportunity to show them the problem areas like pin placement and not placing gears backwards. That was probably the most common mistake, along with spacers not being put on correctly. Usually I like my teams to build and discover on their own, but if time management is an issue, sometimes you need to speed things up. Going step by step with the class seems to do this with less error. Sometimes you have to tailor these lessons to work with your own style of teaching. I really like the 3D build instructions because it allows you to easily zoom in and out, spin the model, and it shows the animation for the parts being placed together. I always like to have the whole group meeting midway through the class to discuss what went well, problem areas, and how we can improve and what changes to make. Then we went on to testing and data collection. I had the students work on their worksheets to determine the amount of spins and how far their supercar would go. We tested to see what the magic number of turns it would take to go the furthest. I took a moment with the class and showed them a YouTube video of drag car races and how some cars did not control their speed on the startup and they would spin out. This would usually happen with our own supercar builds. If you turned it 7 or more times, it would usually spin out. We talked about force, speed, energy, friction, and how the gears are engineered. And at the end of the class, we had a competition to see who could make their car go the furthest. Each person got to participate. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Make sure you hit that likey button. Please subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.